Hi, I'm Prakash, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. Huawei MLKit is a mobile SDK that provides diversified leading machine learning capabilities that are easy to use, helping you develop various AI apps throughout a wide range of industries. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce the bank card recognition service. This service quickly recognizes bank cards in camera stream within angle offset of 15 degrees and extracts key information. This information includes card number, organization name, expiry date, etc. This service can be used in financial services for identity verification and bank card binding for payment in an e-commerce apps. It improves the user experience for e-commerce apps by making the card details input operation automatic. In the current version, only camera stream based recognition is supported. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to console, app gallery connect. Open my apps. Click on new app, enter the relevant information, select add to project and click OK to create a project. Go to my projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select manually enter the package name, enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application, then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file at the Maven repositories under build script and all project section. Also at the class path. Open application level build.gradle file to add the latest version of MLKit bank card recognition libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file at the required permissions. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add an image view and model. Create a layout for a dialog. Open the main activity of the application. Create a callback object of MLBCR capture callback. Request for permissions. Set the click listener. Create MLBCR capture config object. Set the result type and orientation. Create MLBCR capture object. Call the capture frame method and pass the callback object. On success of callback, get the MLBCR capture result. Extract the information, get the bitmap and set. Create a dialog. Display the extracted information. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on start scanning. It will start scanning the screen. Show any bank card in front of the camera. It will extract and display the information and the captured image will be set. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.